that we're going to have is we're going to write out what the law of sines formula is.
For an angle or a side?
Well, it doesn't matter. Let's just do this. Let's go A over sine of A equals little b over sine of B equals C over sine of big C.
Is that angle?
And this is a little c. And the question is, where are the angles? So, this would be an angle because I'm taking the sine of A. So this would be angle A or angle B or angle C. And this up here would be our side A and our side B and our side C. Okay? Now, we also figured out that we could flip these over and have the same thing. It doesn't matter. I can turn it over and put the sine on top and the side on the bottom, okay, and still solve it the same way. But this is the law of sines. Now, when I'm solving for something, do I use the entire law of sines? No. What do I use?
The ones that you know.
Question is, do I know anything or can I do anything with the calculator now? Omar, what can I do with the calculator?
Nothing.
Times 12 by sine 61.
Times it?
Divide it.
No, times it.
It is times.
What do I need before I do any timesing or dividing?
The sine of 61.
What's the sine of 61? What's the sine of 61?
6.
How do I get that?
Put it in the calculator.
Get your calculator out. Make sure that it's in degree mode. And what?
0.875.
0.875. Could I take the sine of 30 degrees?
Yes.
What is it? It's 0.5. It's half, remember? That's one we could remember. All right, so now I'm going to rewrite it. I have b over 0.875 is equal to 12 over 0.5. Now, this goes right back to the starter, doesn't it? It goes right back to the starter. And what do I do? Cross multiply and divide. Now watch how I write this. I'm going to write it as 0.5b equals, what's 12 times 0.875? Somebody?
10.5.
10.5. Okay? And now I'm going to divide that 0.5 off of there. And I get b equals 21.